Hi, I'm Madeline, but I go by Maddie. I've lived in Rexburg for about 6 years. I went to high school here, and I want to someday live somewhere else, but for now I'm here. Before I lived here, I lived in Stillwater, Oklahoma. It's another college town. Football is a huge deal in Oklahoma, so I remember going to football games almost every weekend. I'm a huge animation buff. I love the possibilities for artistic liberty with animation. I also love music and going to concerts. Last summer, I went to the Vans Warped Tour with some friends and stayed all day, even though it was over 100 degrees. I'm a frequent visitor of the local music joints. Even if the music isn't great, I'll still enjoy it because I just love concert atmosphere. In fact, I'm traveling cross country this week to go to a concert. I enjoy most kinds of music, especially alternative and rock. I'm a psychology major with a minor in art. I want to either be a high school counselor or a criminal psychologist. I'm hoping this class will help me better decide what I want to do.